Hello everyone. Today, a Toyota LiteAce drove into our yard with an unpleasant problem: strange sounds from the rear wheels. Local mechanics did not waste time and quickly got down to business. Having removed the rear wheels, they discovered the first problem. The hub was almost dry, there was almost no grease left. They applied a generous amount of fresh grease and covered the hub with a protective cap. Problem number 1 solved. On the other hand, everything turned out to be more complicated. The rear ball joint had already failed. There were no spare parts, and the mechanic tried to quickly fix it with what was at hand. This is not the most reliable and durable repair, but sometimes on these roads a temporary solution is the only way to keep the car on the road. Having put everything back together, LiteAce returned to its usual habitat, bumpy and dusty African roads. It's another reminder of the skill and ingenuity that local mechanics put into keeping cars running no matter what.